And the last piece on the tank is done. Nice job, Wick.
I think this hose is a little long, but that's the way it shows in the drawing, I think, doesn't it?
The drawing's like that too.
Why does it need to be so flippin' long? Let's look at the drawing for a second.
Wick's looking at the factory picture. We took a picture of the picture.
I think we gotta cut that hose. That doesn't look...
Yeah, that's a little long.
We'll cut it. Let me get it.
I got it. I'm gonna go about yay. I like that.
I have a PVC cutter here, so it's got to do with wire cutters.
You like that? Right about there?
There, you think?
Yeah, it looks good. I'll fly. Flies with me. Done. Like $1 million.
I don't know if it's worth $1 million, but it looks pretty fucking good.
There we go.
That looks better. You think it should go a little shorter?
You want?
I mean, nothing's moving here,
Yeah, I don't
right?
want to kink it.
Maybe like that.
Yeah, right there. Remember, you can always cut more, but you can't put it back.
You could put it back. Not very easily. There, that looks like we just graduated from the GM assembly line school.
Look at that.
I almost had enough to make 2 of them.
Well, that's done. Now what are we going to do, Mr. Wicky?
Let's go drink some beer. What do you think?
I like that idea.
Miller time.
Coors Original.
Are you getting hungry? Probably go to
Cool.
lunch.
Yeah, it is close to lunchtime. That closes so good.
It does. This car needs a bath.
I need a bath too, but I'm not
really curious.
I'm not going to wear short shorts and wash the car.
No, thank you. I'm actually appreciative of that.
I'm pretty sure there's some viewers that would be like, do it.
Yeah, they would be. I'm curious what's going on here.
Oh, yes, this discussion. We haven't actually had this on video, but Wick and I have been talking.
There's some weird...
Enlighten the world.
So, the first thing I did when I got this car was replace the bumper because it had a dent in it here. And I think the car actually might have been hit back here harder than even that dent, because I had a hard time getting the bumper lined up and then getting the taillight housing in here lined up on both sides. And actually, let me put it up just a little bit because you can almost see it with your eye.
Going up? Are you going up to ladies' lingerie, second floor? Or
If you look at this distance from the trunk lid to the top of the opening, well, this is pretty similar. But this looks like this is down, this is up. You know, like this light's going to be cockeyed. Is it that way there?
This one's, it's tapered as well. It doesn't look like it's as far, like where this hole is.
Yeah.
If I stand square with it, this hole, I can only see like the bottom half. Whereas I come over here and I see like 3/4.
Yeah.
I mean, we are just going by eye, so who knows if we're just blind or our heads are crooked or
I
something.
have a feeling something's going on back here, but I'm not sure. So what we need to do really is get a laser in here and then get the car level and then get some references off of the laser to see what exactly is going on.
The laser.
Because, you know, when it was up in the air, it sure looked like something funky was happening back
From
here.
the underneath, we were both kind of like, why is it sitting like that?
Just the angle, but I don't know.
Because we were down like that.
I mean, I guess I could run a string line across it for shits and giggles and see where we're at off of the string line.
Little plus minus.
Más o menos. But yeah, see, that's filler, obviously. And
Lord knows we found a lot of that.
that's where my bumper was kind of
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. I think that might have been my bumper install.
That Wick handiwork.
Uh-huh.
Working
Balancing
solo.
it on my knees with the brackets to go in these slotted holes here, and I'm trying to get it lined up. I did finally get it done, but it was like everything else, a lot more than I thought it was good.
You woke up that morning and go, I'm going to slap this bumper
Yeah,
on
I did.
before
That shouldn't
lunch.
take more than an hour.
Yeah,
Like
all
4
day.
hours later, well, the bumper I had on in under an hour, I guess, but the tweaking and getting it straight. And it may be that there's some adjustability in these taillights with these holes.
There's a little bit of play. We can go up, down
And that might
a
be
little bit. That could be our...
Because this trunk lid actually looks pretty good. I'm down just a hair here.
And it's down just a hair here.
A little lower there,
But it's
actually it
square.
does look like it's a little lower right.
It could come up,
Yeah.
but it's not bad.
No, and you know what's interesting? Like, look at this gap. It's much tighter. I wonder if that's from when we got a body filter done, or if the hood really needs the
Trunk
lid
maybe
needs
needs to just
shift
go
a
over
little
to the passenger side a hair. Do that.
bit. Yeah, because this gap looks pretty consistent all the way up, so it may just need to shift
Needs to
that way.
shift over. It's pretty good
I
though.
don't remember it being that. And these are not adjustable. So,
Oh, the bumpers.
yeah. So your only adjustability is in here.
Yeah, no, you can shift it left and right, but you can go fore aft.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody was working this here and they put a little too much filler,
Yeah.
or you have too much paint,
Yeah, that,
you know,
that could make a difference.
that's sort of critical.
Yeah, it looks like it's got to go over this way, maybe I don't know, 3/30 seconds or something.
Yeah, got to split the difference. But we're coming along.
Get there.
All right, fuel tank done.
Yeah, you want to put it up in the air? Take pictures of that pretty fuel tank?
Yeah, we haven't photographed yet.
We gotta polish that baby up.
We don't have to polish it that much. It's not. You're not 87 years old with a Tri-5 Chevy with every bullet piece of crap out of a catalog.
True. Is it on an engine in here?
Did you find a cut?
I did find a cut. This is really good if you're not sure if you have cut on
Found
your
it
finger.
again?
Yeah. This-
Maybe that's the same cut that left
I
this
think
blood.
It is the exact same. Oh yeah, where's the blood at?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Huh. Yep.
Way to go, OJ.
Yeah. I'll get that off there because that's not too attractive. Huh?
Yeah. Blood stains on your car.
Blood stains on the gas tank. Why is it so hard to get those letters off?
Looking good.